Good morning, students, or afternoon. This is a detailed explanation of what you need to do to complete your Harlem Renaissance Exploration project. First thing you're going to do, and you may have a different screen here because you may be in my G4 class, you're going to open up folder 2A. You scroll down on Schoology and go to the Harlem Renaissance Exploration. Then open up the link. This is going to be your own project in Schoology, and go ahead and click on the file. So in just a few moments, this file or this video will be linked here, but it will also be linked in Schoology. This second slide here, you read about what the Harlem Renaissance was and why it was significant. This slide here gives background information on the Great Migration. We have studied this in detail, so you do not have to read the whole article. I just put notes in here. Just review the notes. You particularly can gloss over these things because you already know it, but understand 3 and 4, and then also this area here. So I really want you to focus on reading this part on this slide, okay? On the next slide, we have our rubric. So if you complete everything, you have a shot of an A. And by complete everything, your responses are in complete sentences, so written in complete sentences. You communicate the information in a way that is complete and clear. You are expressing your ideas. And then you are also incorporating an analysis of the work that you are looking at from the Harlem Renaissance, artists, poets, and performers. And it reflects a deep understanding and engagement with your work. So you should be explaining your thoughts and how they relate to this work. And then completion, that you complete all the slides in this presentation. If you would like up to a B, again, responses are written in sentences, but ideas may not be complete or clearly presented. You communicate information in ways that are mostly clear. You complete a substantial analysis of work. There's some depth and understanding, but it may not be consistent or evident that you were really engaged in this assignment. And then, as far as completion, you complete one artist slide, one poetry slide, and one performer slide, and then also slide 5. To get up to a C, again, you may be using fragments, communicating information that's somewhat clear, a simple analysis of the work, not really deep engagement in it, and then you complete basically 3 slides, one artist slide, one poetry slide, and one performer slide. And you could take a look at this. If you're doing this with fidelity, no one should be in this category here. So let's take a look at the slides. You would take a look at Aaron Douglas here. When you click on Aaron Douglas, it goes to a link. You pick one of his paintings that appeals to you. You copy and paste it in here, and you answer the analysis question. The question here says, what do you think Douglas was trying to communicate with his artwork? What do you see in the artwork that makes you say that? So you would start this with a complete sentence like Douglas was trying to communicate, and then your response. I see that, or this makes me feel like that. This in his artwork makes me feel that that's what he was trying to communicate. So complete sentences. What feelings or mood do you see in the artwork? What elements of the artwork make you feel this way? So you would say the feeling or mood, or the feeling, the mood that I see in this artwork is X. And I feel this from this artwork because of the colors used, because of the materials used, because of the expressions in it. So you're going to pick out what it is. You're giving evidence for why you felt the way that you did with that art, or also what he's trying to communicate. You do the same thing here for Jacob Lawrence. Now this is, it's actually slide 7, so I need to change it on here. Slide 7 is the one that you have to complete if you want an A or a B. So in this case, you click on this, and it takes you to a website. You pick 2 pieces of artwork. So you would say what the artwork is, and you are answering the questions about each piece of art, okay? Then you're taking a look at poetry. You're going to click on the artist again, type the poem here. You can copy and paste it, change the font size if needed. And again, incomplete sentences respond. You do the same thing for Langston Hughes as you do for Claude McKay. And again, if you want a B or a C, you only have to do one of these. And then lastly, a performer. You are going to pick a song from the Billie Holiday collection, okay, and listen to it and copy and paste or you're going to insert the video. So to insert a video, you go here and click on video and follow the instructions for inserting a video. And then you're going to analyze a song. If you want an A, you do both. If you want to try for a B or C, you do one or the other. Now at this time, since you have finished this video, be sure to ask questions of me if something is unclear. You could always rewatch parts of this video for further explanation or clarification if you missed it the first time. To let me know that you finished watching this video, come to my room, grab the small green Post-it, and I want you to put your name on the Post-it, and I want you to put down your favorite sweet treat on it. All right, thank you.